I'm going to show you how to access this from a Windows 11 PC or Windows 10 as well. It should work fine from either one. And I'm also going to show you how to access this from Android. For Windows 11, this setting might be turned on for some people, but for some people it might not. So you click on the start menu, you go to, and then you type in advanced sharing. So advanced sharing. You click on the very first option that comes up here. Let me drag this over onto my other screen. You need to ensure that this box here is ticked where it says network discovery and file sharing and printer sharing. Just make sure that these two things are ticked. The next thing you need to do, you need to go to your Windows 11 PC. Then you need to go to where it says this PC. So again, if I close everything down, open your file manager on Windows 11, and then be sure to go to this PC. Scroll down and click on this PC. From here, you click on the three dots here, and it says see more. Then you click on map network drive. Let me drag this onto this screen here. It doesn't really matter what drive letter you choose. I'm going to click on browse, and as soon as you click on browse, for me anyway, it came up with both my shares. So the Raspberry Pi and the OpenMediaVault. So I'm going to click on Raspberry Pi here. For some reason, I don't remember the mini PC asking for login details, but either way, they should be fine. My username is admin and my password is OpenMediaVault. I'm going to click on OK. Yep, perfect. It comes up with the Raspberry Pi share underneath that. I'm going to click on that then, and then I click on OK here again. And once that's all done, I click on finish, and let's see, it should pop up straight away in this PC. Perfect. So now I've got my mini PC share and I've got my Raspberry Pi share here as well. So I'm going to do a few speed tests eventually, but I think the next thing for me to do is to show you how to connect to this one using Android. You should be able to do this from any file manager you have on your Android phone. It might work for iOS as well. I'll never know. So I'm going to go to my file manager. I'm going to go to where it says remote. This is what I'm using. Different file managers will do it in a different way. And from here, I already have my OpenMediaVault mini PC at the very top. I'm going to add a remote location here, and I'm going to choose SMB. Once I choose SMB, I give it the host name. So for me, I'm going to give it the name or the IP address because I don't remember what the host name is. I think my IP address was 192.168.0.156. Click OK. Username, OK. So it looks like I need to enter those details. My username was admin. Password was OpenMediaVault. Click OK. Raspberry Pi share has come up. I'm going to click on that and I now have access to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, actually let me open that again. Let me go to my mini PC share and let me copy over this video from that one. So copy, and I'm going to send this to my Raspberry Pi. I'm going to click paste there. Let's see what happens. 7 megabytes, 8, 9, 10. It's not too bad. There we go. So my Raspberry Pi share has been set up and it works perfectly fine. I'm going to go ahead and bookmark this just so I can get to it a lot easier.